Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel. On today's video is a very beautiful amazing one. As you can see, this is what we are doing today. If you are interested to see how we come up with this beautiful puffy loose extra loose braid, please keep on watching. As you watch, please smash that like button, subscribe, tell me what you think about this hairstyle. As we move, God bless you. I pray for you. May the Lord guide your step and protect you in all you do, wherever you go, in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Girl, see, I have said it over and over again, like heat is your friend. Heat is your friend. There are styles you can never venture. There are beauty of hairstyle you will know like 100% guess. Except you straighten your hair or you blow dry your hair. I'm telling baby girl, see baby girl reaction here.
I'm just thinking of that. Okay. I'm telling my baby guy, I'm done with your hair. So what?
So my people, as I was saying, there are styles you will not see the beauty. Look at that. Jesus Christ is Lord. I hope you are born again Christian. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, they pay me at this point. Like I'm not happy. Nobody will just put me down and give me exact this look. Ah, my children are very lucky, Mama. So on this video, I will be taking it easy here for you to see exactly what I am doing. Please, I know most of you just is a very simple style. Look at what I am doing. The way I'm separating this hair, now you can see I separate it the way that the separation or the line of the separation is clear. That is to avoid any kind of tangling as you're taking the hair down. So whenever you are doing or plating natural hair, let the parts be well clear. Else, when you're taking it down, the detangling will just like it will start from there and just cause hair breakage and tough time. So for those that do not know how this size be done, you separate it clearly as you want it, and what you tighten it at the base, loosen it at the center. Then when you are coming close to the end, the tip, then you tighten it again. So the purpose of doing this is to give the hair a very beautiful mature look and give it volume, because the more you tighten it, the more lesser volume you get. And today is actually, or this time is actually first time I'm making baby girl. Look at that shiny. Look at the shiny of this hair. Please, if you want me to come and teach you how we do straight our hair without encountering any breakage, let me know at the comment section, and the kind of blow dryer and hair straightener or dryer that we do use that is okay, because all heater are not the same, because they produce different kind of heat, and the comb that follow different type of heater are not the same also. If you want me to come and tell you, I'm not advertising for anybody. If you want to buy hair straightener, blow dryer, the one that has comb or the one that doesn't has comb, so what you should look out for, if you want, please let me know at the comment section. You see what I'm doing now? See what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? It is very, very loose. Jehovah. Apply this hair and applied smally also like this. To be sincere, I love it. I love it. When my children go to school, that see their hair suddenly become a playground. The professor, the classmate, everybody will just say, wow, 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 wow. So guys, this style is actually beautiful. Please, if you are natural, I always say, if once in a while you can't do what you want with your hair, it's not fun, it's frustrating. It's frustrating. So you can straighten your hair, please. I have a lot of video that I have explained how to make your hair grow, what to avoid if your hair is not growing, if your hair is breaking, what could be the problem. Please subscribe to my channel. Just take a stroll, take a walk down my channel, the video I've made for the past 1 month especially, and learn one or two things. It's my goal that every one of us are successful because we are beautiful. See, we are beautiful with natural hair. We are beautiful with the look of natural hair. And even if no style of artificial hair will give you that look, just this unique look that you get when you are just natural. When you are, imagine me that doesn't entertain makeup. Sometimes I look myself like a mirror. I say, Ah, Baba God, you did a very wonderful work. God, but this nose that my grandmother gave to us, all of us, this one, but what will I say? Yeah, so my brothers and sister, I say my brothers and sister, I'm not preaching, no. In fact, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I wish this hairstyle with this length is on adult hair. You will have like you are going for wedding, you are the bride, the bridesmaid, going for special occasion, such hairstyle, you can practically manipulate it like when you step aside, all neck will turn. Ha ha ha! All neck will turn. Like, see what I'm talking about? Look at that shiny. Please, in case you want to straighten your hair, know when to apply product or oil as heat plus oil will end up frying your hair. Okay, when you are doing straightening or blow dry out, make sure cream does not come in before you apply heat. Okay, you see how shiny this hair look, so all the cream that make it shiny come later. Okay, so I'm so happy, like I'm so happy, baby girl is so happy having this look. And that is just it. So guys, what do you think about this? Is just me just playing with the hair, trying to tell you here that you can manipulate this hair anyhow, anywhere you want to send it. That is just it. Just one thing I did about this, I twisted inward. I don't know if that is the right word or right to describe it. Inward, for the hair to fall exact where I send it. Please take note of what your baby girl is doing now. I am protecting the tips. Okay, it's a very bad idea when you want to maintain length and you make your hair, you leave the tip naked. Always twist it up or roll it up with the gel. For the fact that this particular hairstyle is blow dry, so anything liquid is prohibited. Okay, so I twist it. You see the beauty now. You see, it's more beautiful. The tips protected or twisted than you just leave it like that. Like this now, that tips will not have a counter with any pillowcase or too much with the weather. And when you want to take it down, it will not string, like it protect the ends. So this is one of two things that I always talk about. Natural hair is easy, it's easy. You just need a little here and there tips to get what you want. Baby girl is so happy with this. See, look at her, look at her. She's so happy. So, my beautiful people, I am pretty happy. Maybe I will just leave you now for you to see what we are talking about. And yeah, so tell me what you like on this channel. Look at that. Look at see. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Jesus. At this point, I wish there's somebody that would just sit my booms down and give me this look. Although my hair is not as long as this now, but the beauty, the fullness. So I'm just telling the girl, demonstrating to a baby girl how we could manipulate it on all of that. That is just it. So I'm so happy. Now, let me leave you now to enjoy whatever we are saying. And again, I want to use the opportunity to say thank you, thank you so much. Look at that. No hair accessory. I have not applied anything. Look at that. Oh God,
So,
please.
if
If you are
you're
leaving to
adult,
know
you
you are
can
ready
turn
for
this
wedding,
hair
come and let me
into
know.
anything
Come
that
and
that
let
pleases
me
you.
know.
If
Come
you're
on, look
adult,
at that.
you can
Guys,
turn this
please,
hair
if you
into
don't share
anything
this
that pleases
video,
you. Once I
if you don't share this video, what will you gain? Oh my goodness. Natural hair is beautiful.
Anything that pleases
Subscribe to my channel. Let me lead you. Before I forget, please, if you're interested for me to be your online stylist, let me know at the comment section and I will tell you how, so that anytime you want to do anything with your hair, you call me. I will tell you, look at what to do, where to start, and what to do and what not to do. If you want me to be your online stylist, let me know, so that you show me your hair. I will know if the hair is healthy or is long, or not all long hair is healthy. Like this one is long and healthy. Sometimes for you to get good results, you need to trim your hair to the healthy point and start from there, the way I did about 2 years ago, that got my hair shorter. So that is just mommy and daughter. Yeah, big mommy and small mommy. She's so happy. This is one thing I love about my children. In most cases, if they're not too tired, they show that happiness. So this is satisfaction we get. So that being said, I am done. I so much appreciate you that subscribe to my channel. I so much appreciate you. Please, my brothers and sisters, thumbs up is very important on my channel. The more you give me thumbs up, the more YouTube take the video up.